This is the world's largest airplane factory, where engineering meets ambition.
Here, Boeing builds one of the most advanced aircraft ever created.
Thousands of skilled workers operate in perfect coordination. Every inch of this factory is designed for precision.
Welcome to the birth of the $400 million Boeing 787 Dreamliner.
The Dreamliner starts with advanced carbon fiber composites. These materials are lighter and stronger than traditional aluminum. Titanium components ensure extreme durability under pressure.
Parts arrive from suppliers across the world.
Every component is digitally tracked.
Major sections are built globally and shipped here.
Automation reduces errors and speeds up production. Strict quality checks begin immediately.
Each part has a unique identity.
Now, assembly is ready to begin. The Dreamliner's fuselage is built in large barrel sections.
Robots drill thousands of precise holes. Laser systems ensure perfect alignment. Human skill completes robotic precision. Internal frames add strength and safety. Miles of electrical wiring are installed.
Every wire is routed with extreme care.
Thermal and sound insulation is added.
Each section undergoes pressure tests.
Data-driven systems monitor every step. Separate sections are joined together. Powerful tools hold the structure firmly.
Even microscopic flaws are unacceptable. The aircraft body now takes shape.
The fuselage moves to final assembly. The Dreamliner features advanced flexible wings. Wings are tested beyond real flight limits. Fuel systems are built inside the wings. Wings are mounted with millimeter precision. Each engine costs tens of millions of dollars. Precision-crafted blades maximize efficiency.
Engines are carefully lifted into place.
Hydraulics power flight control surfaces. Landing gear is built to withstand massive impact. It's tested for the harshest landings.
The iconic nose shape improves aerodynamics.
Advanced radar systems are installed. Flaps and spoilers are calibrated. The Dreamliner now looks complete.
But testing has only just begun.
Interior installation transforms the aircraft.
Lightweight seats improve fuel efficiency. The cockpit features cutting-edge avionics.
Advanced computers assist pilots.
Every button is carefully tested. Safety systems are installed throughout.
Emergency equipment meets strict regulations.
Onboard water systems are integrated. Aircraft doors are pressure sealed. Larger windows define the Dreamliner.
All systems are powered on. Millions of lines of code are verified.
The aircraft moves under its own power.
Engines roar at full power. The aircraft is cleaned before painting.
Custom airline liveries are applied.
Test pilots prepare for flight.
The aircraft takes to the skies.
Performance is validated in real conditions.
The Dreamliner proves its reliability.
This is how a $400 million Dreamliner is built.
The Dreamliner is officially complete.